Hello dear children, today we are going to learn the uses of concave lenses. Concave lens is used in medical equipments, scanner, CD player. These instruments use laser light. For proper working of these instruments or equipments, concave lenses are used. Concave lens is also used in peephole in door. This is a small safety device which helps us to see a large area outside the door. This uses one or more concave lenses. Concave lenses are also used in spectacles to correct nearsightedness. Concave lens is also used in torch to spread widely the light produced by a small bulb inside a torch. Concave lens is also used in camera, telescope and microscope. Now let's begin with the uses of convex lenses. Convex lens is used in simple microscope. Convex lens with a small focal length produces a virtual, erect and bigger image of an object as shown in the figure. Such a lens is called simple microscope or magnifying lenses. One can get a 20 times larger image of an object using such microscope. These are used for watch repair, testing precious gems and finding their defects. Convex lens is also used in compound microscope. Simple microscope is used to observe the small sized objects, but minute objects like blood cells, cells of plants, animal cells, minute living beings like bacteria cannot be magnified significantly by microscope, simple microscope. Compound microscopes are used to study these objects. A compound microscope is made up of two convex lenses, objective and eyepiece. The objective has a smaller cross section and a smaller focal length. The eyepiece has bigger cross section. Its focal length is also larger than that of the objective. Higher magnification can be obtained by the combined effect of the two lenses. As shown in the figure, the magnification occurs in two stages. The image formed by the first lens acts as the object for the second lens. The axes of both the lenses are along the same line. The lenses are fitted inside a metallic tube in such a way that the distance between can be changed. Convex lens is also used in telescope. Telescope is used to see distant objects clearly in their magnified form. The telescopes used to observe astronomical sources like the stars and planets are called the astronomical telescope. There are two types: refracting telescope and reflecting telescope. In both the cases, the image formed by the objective acts as object for the eyepiece, which forms the final image. Objective lens has larger diameter focal length, because of which maximum amount of light coming from the distant object can be collected. On the other hand, the size of the eyepiece is smaller and its focal length is also less. Both the lenses are fitted inside a metallic tube in such a way that the distance between them can be changed. The principal axis of both the lenses are along the same straight line. Generally, using the same objective but different eyepieces, different magnification can be obtained. Convex lens is also used in the optical instruments like camera, projector, spectrograph, etc.